So Microsoft Bing just rolled out a new feature called Deep Search, which is an AI-powered upgrade that's changing how we search online, and it's honestly amazing. Deep Search is a new thing from Microsoft, launched on December 5th, 2023. It's still being tested by a few users, and what's cool about it is that it uses GPT-4 to give more detailed answers to your searches. It's great at understanding complicated or unclear questions that normal search engines can't handle, and it gives you way more specific and relevant answers. For instance, like if you are searching for loyalty card programs in Japan, normally you get basic stuff like Wikipedia links or blog posts, but with Deep Search in Bing, you get a whole new level of detail. You'll see a list of popular loyalty cards in Japan with their logos, descriptions, benefits, and website links. There's even a comparison table, a map showing where the stores are, and a graph of their market shares. All this info comes from Deep Search using GPT-4, based on your search and web data. Now, how does Deep Search work with Bing? It's not replacing Bing's usual search, but it's an added feature that makes web searches richer. It combines GPT-4's AI capabilities with Bing's search tech to filter and sort results by how relevant, detailed, credible, and recent they are. Deep Search is a mix of Bing search and GPT-4's AI, creating a unique and powerful search experience. What's really interesting is how you can search with Deep Search. It's not just typing keywords. You can use natural language, pictures, or even voice. You can ask questions, upload images to get info about them, or use voice commands. It can even handle multiple types of input at once, like text and image. For example, upload a dog's photo and ask what breed it is, and Deep Search will tell you. It's a game changer in searching the web, making it more user-friendly and interactive. Microsoft actually showed a GIF of Deep Search on Bing, and it looks awesome. There's a button to switch between regular and Deep Search. The search box has icons for text, image, and voice inputs. There's a progress bar showing how long the results will take, which depends on your query's complexity. The results come in a cool, interactive format with tabs, tables, maps, graphs, and more. You can also filter and refine your results. Now, when considering how accurate and good the results are, Deep Search sorts them by looking at how closely they match what you're looking for, how much detail they have, how trustworthy they are, and how recent they are. It shows quality indicators like ratings or verification badges and uses human feedback to keep improving. However, there are a couple of problems with it. Firstly, it's slower than usual search engines because it uses GPT-4 to get answers, which can take around 30 seconds. Also, not everyone can use it yet. It's only available to certain groups like people at Microsoft, researchers, and some partners, and there's no information about when it will be open to everyone or if it will be free. Now, how does Deep Search change things for users and SEO? That's search engine optimization. For regular folks searching online, Deep Search could be really helpful. It can find answers to tough questions that normal searches might miss, and it's kind of fun to use in different ways. But for people who run websites, it's a bit tricky. Their web pages might not show up as much in search results because Deep Search gives straight answers. It could also mean they have to change how they make their websites more visible in Bing searches. However, it's not all bad. There might be new ways to improve their sites for these searches. Microsoft describes Deep Search as a fresh way to use AI to explore the web. It's not going to replace Bing, but it's an extra feature. They're still improving it, listening to what users say. This is part of Microsoft's big push to make AI useful for everyone. So, what do you think about Deep Search? It seems like a big thing for search engines and AI, doesn't it? Share your thoughts in the comments. Now, let's shift our focus to something really intriguing that's been happening behind all the news about new AI tools like Google's Gemini and others. An AI alliance is forming. Yes, some of the biggest names in the AI industry are coming together for this initiative to drive AI innovation in a more open and responsible manner. This is a significant move and could greatly influence the future of AI and its impact on our society. Alright, so the AI Alliance, announced on December 6, 2023 by IBM and Meta, is a group of more than 50 different companies, universities, charities, and other groups. They're all coming together to improve how AI is made and used, making sure it's safe and good for everyone. They also want to keep an eye out for any risks that might come up. IBM and Meta shared that the alliance has 4 main goals: ensuring AI's safety, encouraging groups to work together and share ideas, bringing in a variety of viewpoints into AI development, and making sure AI benefits everyone in society and the economy. They're also planning to work with governments and other important groups to make sure AI is used in a way that's ethical and meets set standards. Now, The AI Alliance is a big group with many important companies from different fields like AMD, Dell Technologies, Red Hat, Sony Group, Hugging Face, Stability AI, Oracle, and the Linux Foundation. Each company brings something special to the group. For example, AMD is great at high-performance computing. Dell Technologies has lots of IT solutions. Red Hat is known for open-source software. Sony Group is a big name in entertainment. Hugging Face specializes in natural language processing. Stability AI focuses on making AI fairer. Oracle is a top player in cloud computing and databases. And the Linux Foundation supports projects that are open source. Together, these members spend over $80 billion every year on research and development. That's a huge amount of money. With this kind of budget and power, they can create amazing AI systems that could help solve big problems in areas like healthcare, education, and more. So, how's this AI alliance going to work? They've set up a governing board and a technical oversight committee. The governing board will have people from each member company, and they'll decide the main goals and plans for the alliance. The technical oversight committee is made up of experts from different areas, and they'll handle the technical side of things, like setting standards and best practices. The alliance is also planning to work with other AI groups and initiatives. One big part of the AI alliance is working with academic institutions. Places like CERN, NASA, Cleveland Clinic, and various universities will be involved. They'll offer scientific advice and resources, like data and tools, and help with projects that make AI more accessible and collaborative. Now let's talk about Meta, one of the main leaders of this alliance. Meta is known for supporting open-source AI models and responsible development. They've released big AI models for public use and developed platforms and tools to help people work with these models. They've also been working on making AI safe. But Meta has made some controversial decisions too, like dissolving their responsible AI team. This team was focused on making sure AI models are built ethically. Meta says this decision was part of reorganizing things and that the team members have moved to other AI-related teams. They still say they're committed to responsible AI development, and being part of the AI Alliance is a step in that direction. However, some people are skeptical about Meta's moves. They point to past issues with Meta's AI systems like privacy concerns, misinformation, and bias. They're calling for more careful monitoring of Meta's AI activities. Lastly, it's worth noting that some of the biggest AI developers aren't in the AI Alliance. Companies like Microsoft, Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic have their own projects and have formed a different group, the Frontier Model Forum. This group is focused on responsibly developing large-scale generative models, which are really advanced AI that can create realistic content like text and images. So, what do you think about the AI Alliance? Will it be helpful? Do you trust Meta and IBM to lead it? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.